higher than gold.
So before this video starts, I want you guys to please head on over to Krafted by Indi. I recently met her while running errands, so this is not a sponsored video. She's very vibrant and she just has a good personality, and I just love seeing young people like myself doing their own thing, having their own business. So she sells customizable keychains and they're so beautiful, they're so stunning. Please go and check her out. I'll put all the information on the screen and let you guys see a few pictures of what she designed. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been long overdue this video. I'm sorry for the darkness. In here is dark. That's why today we're gonna make up for the darkness with this. I finally, thanks be to God, I finally got my ring light that I've been wanting for so long on a cyber deal sale on Amazon, and it was around $55 US. Let me just say, God is so good, because I was going to buy the UB size 10-inch ring light which was around $37 US. So I saved the money because something came up and I didn't want to spend it so quick as yet. So I said to myself, like, okay, I'm gonna save this. Then by some miracle I saw on cyber deal sale that there was the Neewer ring light, which I had my eye on for I don't know, from I start this YouTube thing, my eyes been on this Neewer ring light, and then I just saw that it was going for sale for $56 US, because it's $55.99, and by the time you convert that, it is around $56 US. And I'm so grateful that I got this deal. Like, God is so good. I don't mean to brag to you guys, it's just, if it weren't for you guys and the motivation you've been giving me, the positive comments and like I wouldn't save towards this. So thank you guys, and thank God. So it's finally here. I'm going to unbox it. You probably don't hear much from me since I'm trying to figure everything out. So I'm just gonna, like, you know, do everything so you guys can get a good view of what's going on. This is a package. It's not so heavy, but it's heavy. So you're gonna see me unboxing this ring light, so stay tuned. Guys, finally. So this is a box that came in. Guys, I ain't going to lie, I was very tired in this video because I decided to do it right after coming in from getting this package. And yeah, I'm kind of looking my best on camera, but you guys have seen me, I guess, a bit of my worst days, I don't know, but yeah. Here's a case, guys. Look at that. Can't believe this is the ring light. Nice little carry-on bag. Press that to the side. So before getting this ring light, I watched a lot of unboxing videos, and what I can say is they package it different from the videos that I saw, cause where the stand comes in to hold the ring light, it's in a white box that you see in my hand right now, and it isn't in the other videos. Light stand. That's heavy. Take a break. hope I didn't break it. There's these parts. There's no finger. And there's this thingy. Gonna pull this out and so I apologize for my facial expressions. I was kind of getting that, you know, when you purchase something for the first time, there's always that is chemical scent, almost like a chemical scent, you know, which I wasn't loving, you know, but it wasn't so bad where I can't tolerate it. You understand? So if I didn't say this before, this is the 18-inch Neewer ring light. It is bigger than my head and part of my body. It was so big, like I kind of was expecting it due to the other videos I watch of people unboxing their ring lights, so I had a good idea. And yeah, just watch me putting it all together. Another thing I am noticing that I did not show you guys was how tall this stand was that the ring light is on. It is very tall. I'm about 5'9", 5'10", and this is taller than me. So I didn't get to show you the length of it because I was 18. As I said before, I was very tired, but it's pretty tall. Like, this is for everybody, I think. So in this box that came with the ring light, we have orange filter set, which is what I have in my hand. Then we have the white filter set, so if you don't want an orangish tonish color, you can go with the white, sorry. And then we have the tripod holder, then the Bluetooth remote, the instruction manual, so you can get a better understanding of how to set your ring light up, which I probably should have done, although I was just going by what I saw in other videos. So with this part of me trying to put together the filter set for the light, it was like I was doing it very wrong, so I paused the video and got to know how to do it off camera, which I didn't get to show you guys, but it's so easy. You're just gonna click them in. So guys, this is it. Kind of took me a while to get the pieces together, but I just snapped them in. You know, it's a bit tricky, but you'll get it. I'm gonna put this in now. So this is the finished look. I am not the best in explaining electronic stuff, like explaining to you how everything works. You just have to see what I'm doing and get a grasp. I can only say one and two things here and there, you know. I am learning, guys. I am learning. Don't go hard on me. So now I am trying to add the ball head adapter. I think that's its name. Is it the flexible gooseneck? I don't know, but it's the part that you're supposed to put the tripod holder for your phone or your camera or your yeah, the phone or their camera. So that's where the electronics would go. So you'd have your phone or your camera there, and then you turn on the light and you record, and bam, you're ready to go and do your vids. So it was kind of giving me a trouble. It was very loose, like I didn't know how to get it tight until I read the manual, which showed me exactly what I was doing wrong. You won't see me mending it or fixing it on camera, but I guarantee I did it off camera. So yeah. moment of truth. This is the brightest. Okay, guys, try it from here. It's pitch black in my room now, and look at how this ring light brights up the room. I tried the orange filter set, which I did not get to show you, which you will probably see in a few of my upcoming videos if God's will. But yeah, this is my Neewer ring light. What more can I say than I love it so far? My very first ring light, and God is good, you know. So yeah. So I'm noticing I don't have an outro, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I just want to say, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, because it helps your girl a lot, and also it's a type of way to support what I'm doing, to support my content, to support my channel, to support me. And don't forget to hit that like button, because the more likes the video have, the more YouTube recommend them and the more people tune into them, so that would be great. If you dislike it, that's still engagement, but I would prefer for you to give it a like. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoy this unboxing. I felt like it wasn't my best, but see with me guys, I was so tired. I woke up 3 something that morning and couldn't go back to sleep, and then afterward I took myself and went into town, and I walked from a certain point to reach to where I'm supposed to pick up the package, and it was Acklin trying to find a car to come home with the package. And then yeah, I was just so tired, but I still got it done for you guys. And yeah, don't go too hard on me. I tried my best. And I also want to say thank you to everybody that are supporting me in their own ways. Even my silent supporters, thank you. If you still watch me and don't comment, that's still okay, but I like to hear from you. Let me know what you think of my videos, you know, whether it's constructive criticism or just a kind word. I like to hear from you guys. So thank you for the 400 and counting people that have subscribed to me. Like, I really appreciate it, like, to know that people are actually enjoying or watching that what I'm doing. Like, I'm really appreciative of every one of you that's tuned into my videos. So yeah, until next time, bye. Bye guys. This is the ring light, if you're noticing right now, so turn it up. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. There's video more sun up here now. Until next time, bye guys.